Good morning class 1, this is your maths class and I am your maths teacher. Okay, today we read the adding two single digit giving two digit answers. Okay, so then exactly we learn the two single digit number addition. Okay, so then go for the some questions. This is the number. Okay, everyone familiar about this number? Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, then this is a 3 and this is 4. Everyone already know about the addition. Okay, so then this is 3, this is 4. So then what is the result? The result will be 7. The result will be 7. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Okay, then this is 6 and this is 2. This is 6 and this is 2. So then result will be 8. Result will be 8. Okay, so then 5 and 1. This is result will be 6. Result will be 6. Okay, this is the number line. Okay, this is the number line, and in this number line start with 1 and end with 9. End with 9. Okay, so then this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and this is 20. This is 20. Then 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6? What is 5 plus 6? What is 5 plus 6? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and this one is 11. So then what is the result? This is 11. So then where is the 11 in the number line? So then this is the 11. This is the 11. Okay, how many circles are in there? Total number of blue circles. This is 1 2 3 4 and this one is 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Total number of green circle is 6. So then what is the result? This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then this is total 10 and plus this is 11. So then this is both are equals. Both are equal. Okay, this is 1 2 3. This is 3 and 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and this is 9. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 equal to this is 12. This is 12. So then help Mitu and Toto in arranging flags and flower for the forest party. Okay, so then in this picture there are one Mitu and Toto. This is Mitu, this is Mitu and this is Toto, and all have some flags and flowers. Okay, so then both are arranging flags and flowers. So then we help us. So then we help Mitu and Toto. Okay, help Mitu and Toto. So then there are some instructions. This is drag the correct answers. Okay, then there is some questions. Toto has 8 flowers. How many flowers have a Toto? 8 flowers. Okay, Mitu has 7 flowers. Mitu has, Toto has 8 flowers. Mitu has 7 flowers. Total number of flowers 8. Total number of flowers, this is 7. How many flowers do they have in total? So then there are two types. First of all, we count the flowers. So then this is this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this one is 15. This one is 15. Okay. So then, and second pattern is 8 plus 7. This is 15. This is 15. Okay. So then go for the next. Then Torto has 5 flowers. Torto has 5 flowers. Mittu has 8 flowers. How many flowers do they have in total? Okay. Torto has 5 flowers. Torto has 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Mittu has 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then, how many flowers do they have in total? Total means addition. Okay. Add both of you. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and this one is 13. Then total flowers is 13. Okay. Then Torto has 9 flowers. Okay. And Mittu has 5 flowers. 9 flowers. Torto has a 9 flowers and Mittu has 5 flowers. How many flowers do they have in total? So then total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and this one is 14. Okay. Then total is 14. Then there are some questions related to addition of 2 digits. Okay. So then in next video we see another questions. Thank you.